What's up, guys? Welcome to the Maintenance Man channel. My name is Neil. Thank you for joining me tonight. We're going to be doing a little review of a free light I received to review. I'm sure you've seen a lot of them, this style garage light. But let me just see if I can't flip you over. So in my garage right now, I have these older style lights. They're silver. You know, they were actually, I installed these in our bedrooms when we first moved in, and then we put ceiling fans in, and I figured I'd throw them in the garage, make it a little fancy out here, and put two 100-watt bulbs in them. So that's what I have in there. And I think it does a good job. Obviously, there's no lightage over there besides the garage lights, but I do have some shop light there. I got some under the cabinets, one up there, one under there. So the bulbs I bought are Sansi, and actually I've never changed these. They've been out there in there for about, I want to say 5 years now, maybe 3 years. Looks like they have a little heat dispersion or whatever, like well ventilated. But here's the stats on them. What does that say? Forbidden to be used in enclosed luminaries. 13 watt, 5000 K, 1600 lumen. So 2400 lumen per light. So let's see what this new one is. And you guys have seen these. I'll link it. I don't have affiliate links or any promotion or anything, but they're pretty. This is inexpensive to begin with. They're running 15% off, and I think it was $20 total. So let's see what we have here. Product installation. 2 lighting modes. It does come with this here, and guess you take these tabs out to mount it up, and maybe cut that out to run the wire into there. It is nice. It's like terminals. I don't know if you can see that. Stick your wire in there and clamp down, or if you have a socket already, stick it in the socket. Couldn't do that one-handed, but there you go. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights. You can fold them out. You know I told you guys I'm not going to do a lot of these types of reviews when I'm asked. But it all depends on how the companies approached me. Guy was cool about it. And I actually just bought some of the $40 ones from Home Depot. Had one of them burn out over the weekend. You know, they're supposed to run for 30,000 minutes. That's, 1,250 days, and I think about 3.4 years, something like that. And it did not last a weekend. So that will be the last step for this, is I'm going to put it in that same socket and see how it does. But let's get this rigged up. Alright, so this thing, what I'm reading here is, it says 12,000 lumens, 10,000 lumens, 6,500 daylight, 85% energy saving. One thing I will say about the adjustable lights like this is it's kind of hard to have them when you're walking through a garage, the brightness looking up at them. So you kind of, I don't know, I find it better just to have it down or all the way up, you know, depending on what your situation is. But we're going to try and bring some light to it here, so let's see what we can do. Do a little bit of this. Get a little bit of this going here. Actually, probably don't need that. Pull the hot wire out. Is no ground on this. It's all right though. So both sides we will, I don't suggest you do this at home. Just as my suggestion. Trim this one up a little bit here. So we're just going to unscrew it. It's not saying that one's hot, one's not, which I don't think many light fixtures do. Typically, right now I can't really, just usually when I take a light fixture and replace that work down, wherever the black wire was is where I put the new black wire. Go back, go up a little more here. I do like these terminals with the screws, that way you know you got a good connection on it. Not going anywhere. Sorry, I'm trying to stay in focus here. I'm a little rusty for making videos here. So we'll go this way here. Go tight on it. And I'm going to bend these up like so. Keep it away from the metal. Make sure we are in view here. We are. Gonna twist this in there. Like that. And then theoretically, should be able to bring this down. And no. There we go. Voila. So it does have, it is bright. It's very bright. I like it. I'll take the hot out, take the neutral out. So with some zip ties and whatnot, we got it up there. Let's see if we can't make it light up. So there's the final product, and it does make it nice and bright over there. I'm having trouble deciding if it's brighter than what I have. It throws off better light straight down, that's for sure. Mine kind of throws it off to the sides, which for a big garage is kind of what you want. You know, and then I have all these, you know, little lights that I can turn on here. yeah, I mean, look, it brightens it up. It works well. And if you want to throw some off, you know, this way, let's see what it's like with all of them up. We'll do these ones up. That back one's just kind of got to chill. Cool. So like I said, I'm going to take this into work and put it into the socket that the other one burnt out in really fast. And after Thursday, I'm no longer going to be working at where I work, but the kid that works there, I'll make sure he checks on it. And we'll find out how long this thing runs. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'm sorry the video is a little rough, but I'm just getting back into the swing of things. And I'll see you guys on the next one. And if you aren't subscribed, get subscribed. Thanks. Have a great night.